Welcome students, how are you? Today we have to learn about types of chemical reaction. In this book we will discuss 4 types of chemical reaction: synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and combustion reaction. Okay, first we start from synthesis reaction. When two or more elements or compounds react to form a single compound, this type of reactions are known as synthesis reactions or combination reactions, we can say them. The examples are burning of iron and sulfur to form iron sulfide. This is also a combination or synthesis reaction. Another example is burning of magnesium. When magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, it burns with a bright light and it also gives off heat and produce the product magnesium oxide, which is white powdery substance. This is magnesium ribbon that is burning in the presence of air. It reacts with the oxygen that is found in the air and produce the product magnesium oxide, that is a white powdery substance. And this reaction is an example of exothermic reaction also, because the magnesium ribbon burns with bright white light and it also gives off heat during this reaction. Another example of synthesis reaction is the rusting of iron. You have often seen iron nails or anything made up of iron. When it is placed near the water, it gets rusted. Iron, that is a metal, it is a very strong metal and reacts with oxygen that is found in air in the presence of water to form iron oxide, that is reddish brown powdery substance. Second type of reactions is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the breaking down of a single compound into two or more simpler products. Energy is needed to for this reaction, and this energy may come from heat, light or electricity. Any type of energy can be used. Thermal decomposition, as the name shows, it uses heat energy for the decomposition of a compound into two or more simpler substances. For example, you can see that this is copper carbonate, and copper carbonate is a green color powder. When we heat it, it decomposes into copper oxide and carbon dioxide dissipates in the environment. Copper oxide is black color powder. The change in their color show that chemical change has occurred and some new substance has been formed. You can concentrate on this equation also. Copper carbonate, when it is heated in, this is thermal decomposition, copper oxide, that is black color powder, plus carbon dioxide is evolved during this reaction that dissipates in the environment. Here the atomic model of copper carbonate is shown. During as you know student, that during a chemical change, atom separates from the molecule and combine with other atoms to form new substance. Same is happening here. This copper and one oxygen atom from this carbonate radical separate and they combine to form copper oxide, and carbon dioxide gas is also evolved during this process. Another example of thermal decomposition is the manufacturing of lime. Lime is the common name of calcium oxide. Clear? And it is produced from limestone. Limestone is the common name of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated at 1000 degrees Celsius in special ovens called lime kilns, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide is produced. This is an example of thermal decomposition as heat is required for this process.